Hi, today I have a very cool lock for you guys. It's it's ASSA Twin 6000. Um, it's without key, and you cannot see if it's some normal ASSA cylinder or or it's some other cylinder. But I think it's ASSA uh, Twin 6000. There are 5 side pins with a sidebar and 6 normal pins. They're not normal, they are barrel-like ASSA pins, and plus um, um, the core is 2 counter milling small ones to catch the ASSA barrel-like pins. And it's a very cool lock. I got it without the pins, only the sidebar, and without the key, but I repinned it, plus I put a bit difficult bidding for me. I don't know if some of the pins are maybe it's bigger or smaller than the key can fit, and it's going to work, but it is what it is. I make it a bit challenging for me, and I will use these picks, and this is my uh, multi pick. And after a couple of days, I don't know if you can see, I got like this wearing a couple of days. It was yesterday and today I tried to learn how to pick this one, and the pick is, I still have a mixed feelings about this pick. These picks, I don't know what's the problem. The picks, the usual picks, they are fantastic, but the dimple picks, I still don't know. Maybe it's something wrong with mine specifically. Hopefully you can see that wearing. That's it is what it is. But yeah, let's talk about the picks some other times. So let me rearrange my things and let me try to pick this ASSA Twin 6000. So yeah, I'll be back in a second. I rearranged things a bit, so now I'll try to pick this one. I will go with bottom tension, with this tension tool, I think clockwise, counterclockwise, because it's easier for the side pins when I'm picking this orientation. Yeah, I'm going like that, and first we're going to pick, I'm trying to pick the 6 pins, the normal pins, not the side pins. 6, I think, couple of clicks. Nothing from 5, 4. Let me start from 1, 2, 3, 4. It's binding. Couple of clicks from 4. 1, 2. Come on, big click from 2. I think I need to check the side pins. No, it's still not picked because I got in this deeper fall set. That's why I was thinking I already picked this one, and plus I put a wild beating on this one, so high lows, just to make it a bit challenging for me. But yeah, we'll see. 1, yeah. Now I think. No. Still nothing. 3 feels set. 4 feels set. I think 5 feels like giving me counter rotation. Yeah, I think I set 5, but I overset some other pins. 1 feels set, 2 feels set, 3, 4, 5. I overset yeah, our set. I picked now 6, 5, and some turn on the core. No, no, still nothing. Let me release tension a bit. It's not 2, it's not 1, 3. Click on 4, and now let me check. No. Some other pin. Yeah, that's a problem with ASSA barrel-like and multiple counter mills. Why I'm hitting the camera? Yeah, I made myself a challenge bidding, and now I think I'm having a problem picking the first 6 pins. That's so fantastic. I think 3 it's somehow, I can feel it's a bit higher than normally. Oh, I dropped multiple pins. Why? Let me check pin 6. One fill set, 2. I set it now. 3 click, 4 multiple clicks, 5, 6 fill set. 1, 2 its back. Yes, I think now we're set with all 5 pins. Now the next is the side pins. Yes, click from 1, click 2, bigger click, 3, 1, 2, and bigger click. So yeah, I'm doing the jiggling test. So 1, 2, 3 fill set. Now 4, small click, a bigger click, yeah, and a bigger turn on the core. So hopefully now it's only side pin 5. I'm on the 5. Come on. Yes, we are open. Fantastic. Last lock this year, and it's ASSA Twin 6000. That's fantastic. Let me rearrange things a bit. I want to be on focus. My pinning tray, white one this time. Lightning. What do I need? I need, yeah. No, I will first remove the 6 normal pins. Ah, that's so fantastic. Come on. I think this one is black belt, but to be honest, I think this one needs to be like, no, I don't know if it needs to be something else, but it was, I will, yeah, I can lock this one, yes, so I can remove the pins. Come on. Why? I think this one is, for me it was easier to pick than the Then ASSA D12, second level, so with the longer pins, and why the pins, come on. And I think ASSA D12 is red belt and this one is a black belt, but that doesn't matter. But yeah, it's a two different type of things that you need to pick. Come on, where is my pin 3? 1, 2, 3. No, that's 4. No, that's the third. So that's what I say. Long, short, long. And now it's short. Where's that pin? Why? Yeah, there it is. It's not that short, but it's awesome to pick this one. I'm really glad that this is the last lock in this year that I'm picking, and it's a really fantastic lock. Very interesting pick. Sometimes can be frustrated to pick this one, but when you pick it, that's the feeling is as usual. It's fantastic. So come on, where is my, why all the pins did I not relock? So that's the pins. So all the key pins, all the drivers are ASSA barrel-like, and I try to make the same height, key pins and drivers, and all the key pins are standard ones. So high, low, high, low, high, low. So that's how I try to make myself a bit trickier lock to pick, to make this one trick. Oh, I do not have the key, so let me put my finger on top, so no, the side pins will not jump. Yes. So here's the side pins and the sidebar. I will remove for the sidebar, and they're all 5 how it's called, cuts, I think. Here's the first spring, here's the second spring, and here the side pins. I will, this is 5, oops, doesn't matter, 5, 4, they're the same. The different is in this cuts on the sidebar. So I will show you, and here all the springs. I will dump the springs here. Yes, here it is. So here's the core. Come on, focus. Just focus. Here's the part of the side pins. Here's the sidebar, a lot of drill protection, and here's let me show you, hopefully you can see, there are that 2 undercuts, grooves that the ASSA barrel-like pins are catching and making my life and our life harder. So there are 2 of them, perfect circle. I'm trying my best to show you, hopefully you can see them. Hopefully one day I will find a key, and so let me put it like this. Let me show you now the sidebar. Come on. So here's the sidebar, there are all the cuts, so it's interesting, the cuts are very interesting, I'm trying my best. So this is like let's focus. This I cannot focus. My hands are still shaking. So let me do a zoom a bit. Hopefully you can see it. No. So all the cuts, for example, this is in the middle, this is bottom, this is in the middle, this is bottom, and the last one it's pretty top one. And you can rotate this one and you can make it a bit challenge or not challenge, or make it different when you try to pick it. This is all the side pins. As you can see, here's I will go zoom out a bit. Longer video, but it is what it is. It's my last video. So here's that in the middle deeper groove, and that's why when I was speaking I was like small click, and big click. So that's how you know, I know that this is in the gate, not in the true gate, not the false gate. So all 5 of them, I think you can see them. And here's the pins, and that's the springs. These are all the springs for the sidebars, and this is the regular six pins ASSA barrel-like. So let me grab one of them. I think you can see them. So I try to make them like to make the stack equal. So I have a different, I already have a different size of the side pins, and they are there. All the key pins are standard. Here's the body. There's that groove for the sidebar. I think nothing is done on the body, so let me check. Yeah, it's a standard one. Awesome abloid. I think all the bodies are the same. Doesn't matter if it's a regular one or it's a 700 or it's a ASSA Twin 6000. And here's that part for keeping the springs and inside keeping the springs in the lock. And you can see a lot of drill protections, etc. So yeah, so guys, this was my last video this year, and it's a fantastic pick. I'm very glad that I picked this one, and I wish you a fantastic new year, fantastic decade, and thanks for watching. As always, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.